Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this eye look. This is a mulberry pink shimmery inspired look that I created using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. So I came up with this mulberry pink shimmery eye look. And if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. Those and a Colourpop JH33. I blend that all over my crease area. I kind of already started and the camera stopped rolling. So I'm just gonna blend this, and it blended out literally in like 3 seconds because these shades are just so amazing. This one of the Naked Urban Decay brushes. I'm gonna take, it's like a flat blending painter's brush, Sienna, which is that red tone brown shade. I'm gonna apply that into my crease, lower crease. Whoopsie whoops. Just accidentally blended this all over, but that's okay. Based on my eye shape, I have to go up this high. But your shape, you might not have to go up this high. So just make sure you're paying attention to your eyelid shape. Since I have a huge space between my brow and my crease, I bring it up because if I keep it low, then you won't be able to see it. But this is also way higher than I usually go. Same brush and just blend out these edges before they get too crazy. Same brush, but I'm gonna take the shade Mulberry, which is that darker cranberry shade up there. I'm gonna blend out my outer V. It's a very dark, pretty cranberry shade. Rose from Colourpop. This is a E4. And I'm going to take the shade Rose Pink, which is that shimmer, to my inner crease, or my inner lid, I mean. Oh my god, that shade's so pretty. So pretty. So just like that. I'm gonna try and brush away this fallout without ruining. Yay! The shade Sultry to the very edge here of the pink, like that. Detailing brush, I'm gonna take the shade Glistening. It's a really pretty gold shade. Half of on top of the pink, like that. Back in with a little bit of, and actually I'm gonna take Mulberry on that brush and I'm gonna blend out my bottom lash line just till you hit your iris. Like that. Smaller brush and just touch on it a little bit. Swipe that on my bottom lash line down here. Detailing brush, take the shade Tempera, which is that matte. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. The highlighter Becca Moonstone. with rose pink. I'll touch a little bit here. to make sure the pink is shining through. To apply some of the Nude LA Girl eyeliner. The Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner. Apply a little bit of Princess Lash mascara. I'm going to apply Ardel 113s. And so that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Comment below a palette that you would like to see a tutorial with next.